Hi, welcome to the world of Android Studio. So today we are starting how you can create your Android application with the help of Android Studio IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Kit. So let's begin with the start new project. I hope you have installed Android Studio in your machine and you are going to start with the new project. Before that, I would like to inform those who did not install Android Studio in their machine. So I am writing one link into the description. So please go through with that link and learn how you can install Android Studio in your development machine. It doesn't matter it is MacBook or it is Windows computer. So completely you will get a brief description about installation process of Android Studio. So guys, let's begin with it. Start a new project. Here are different activity. Now you must be confused that which activity should I use for my application. So I am going to tell you some small description of those activity. So let's begin with basic activity. Basic activity is nothing, it's just an example of Google Gmail box. You have seen there is one button at the top. This is called basic activity. Another is empty activity. This does not contain any single thing in that. It just create a hierarchy of a project on your machine. Means hierarchy, like what are the basics file and what will be the first activity for launching the application. That's it. Bottom navigation activity is somewhat extended activity. It will bring one bottom navigation with it, where you can define your bottom navigation like dashboard, profile, anything you can give. If I give one example of, you can take Oyo room application, the bottom navigation, that is called bottom navigation activity. Another is fragment view model. Fragment basically is a low light in comparison of activity. uh, Basically what happen, fragment and activity can be used together, but this is the fragment. You can it will also contain one activity. If you will click on next and you will start with it, then it will also contain one activity which is called empty activity. On that it will inflate fragment. That is quite deep knowledge of that, but I don't want to go with deep right now because this is the first tutorial and we are going to do with very basic things. Full screen activity, like you have see any video player, any video player or any image that's come to the full screen without any taskbar, without any action bar. That is called full screen activity. Master flow, this activity contains some detail like name, description. That's kind of quite some detail it's contain. That's it. If you are clicking, it will also contain one list. If you are clicking on that list item, it will bring you the detail of that list item. Let's say the example, if you are watching any a hotel in Oyo application, or let's say just dial, if you are checking out something, then you click on one item and the another page will bring the complete detail of that item. So that is called master flow, master detail flow. Another is navigation drawer activity. This is also a very simple activity. I'll give you one example, real-time example of this. You can take example of Gmail box as well. If you click on three lines of a left side corner, left side top corner, then you will find different detail like inbox, important, labels, different. So this is called navigation activity. Another is example Google Map. Google Map nowadays is very popular in Android development because there are lots of taxi cabs, all are using Google Map. Lots of food application, all are using Google Map. And we have different use of Google Map. It's depend upon the requirement. Now we have a one login activity. Login activity is nothing, it's just a empty activity, enhanced version of empty activity, with including some one edit field and sorry, two edit field and one button. That's it. Scrolling activity, that is contain nested scrolling view itself. I will tell you in next few videos what is nested scrolling view and how you can work with that. And this is tabbed activity. Tabbed activity means it will contain different tab. If you are going if you want to swap from one tab to another tab, then you don't need to be click on tab. You just can swipe the complete page. Like if you are seeing the different photos in your gallery and you open one photo, then you swipe from left to right or right to left. That is called a tabbed functionality or paging view. So that's it, that is native C++. We are not going into that because this is C++ native library. So let's begin with empty activity, because we are going to start splash screen today. Splash screen is basically first screen of a application from where our application is getting start. There are a few more things like watch OS. If you are going to develop your application for watch, then these are the things which is useful for watch face, these kind of thing. Blank wear watch, here you can define your design by yourself, something like that. Add no activity means you are creating a project without any activity, without anything. That's it. Same for TV, activity without activity, with activity without activity. Same for Android. This is auto, actually media services, messaging services. If you are receiving messages, then how it will happen, something like that. It will contain some advanced version of Android Studio, so we will talk later about this. So let's begin with empty activity. So I'm going to give that name, Android Tute 1 basically, and I'm going to okay, that's cool. Now here you can choose Java or Kotlin. I'm selecting Java. I can also select Kotlin. There are quite different Kotlin and Java written structure, so we will talk later about that. So let's begin. Finish. That's cool. It will take some time, it's rendering. Now our project is in our hand. So this is the first view of your Android Studio with the new project. Here nothing I did not perform any action, I did not do anything for that. So, and this is the activity, this is the basic activity, this is the XML code. So our and keep in your mind, our application can be designed with the help of Java and XML. You must have knowledge of Java and you must have knowledge of XML. If you don't have any knowledge of Java and XML, just forget and keep watching this video. You will get to know it's not that much difficult how you are understanding. So first of all, I'm going to see the output of this, and there is no device is connected, so I will create emulator. This is called AVD, virtual machine. Phone, I'm going to create, this one is okay, Pixel 2, 5 inches. Next, we will create with Q. It will take some time because it's 1 GB data. That's finished. So click on finished. Now we have Q, which contain API level 29, Android 10 given by Google. And for your kind information, I'm telling you that Android is handling by Google company. You can change your name if you want to change. I'm leaving as it is, and I'm going to click on finish. So I have one emulator. On this emulator I can see the output of my project. So I'm going to start that. Closing from here. Okay, we are here. So let's start with our development. Uh, as you can see, first we will see the output. Okay, now what we are going to do, uh, these are different file. We will work on string and colors. Here I'm going primary color, I'm going to choose as red. I love it. This one red dark, and this one we will keep as white. That's it. Welcome back and start. Cool, this is the output. Wonderful. Now we will start. Delete it, make background as a white, Android white, take one linear layout with match parent, sorry, do not close it. That's it. What it's saying, orientation match parent, orientation vertical I took. Here I am going to add one image, match control Z, 40 dp, or we can say 150 dp. Same for 150 dp. Content description, app name, and this is the gravity we will set as a center. So our image automatically comes to the center. Now set src IC launcher. That's not looks good, so I'm going to replace, I'm going to add some different image to our project. Inside app, go to src, then main function, result, and drawable. Here I am adding this one. That's cool. Delete drawable Android. That's it. Oh, it's quite good. So text view, here match parent and wrap content, wrap content, close it. Gravity, text gravity center, text high, we are not writing high. That's cool. Let's build the world. Oh wow, wonderful line. Text color, size 25 sp, style we can say text style, bold, text size, okay, color, we are taking from Android, color black. That's cool. Voice giving warning. Oh, understood. In your system, click on that and press Alt Enter at a time if you have Windows. If you have Mac, then option with written. That's it. Extract string resource and type here splash header. That's it. HEA header. You margin from top is 20 dp. margin left 10, margin right 10. I'm copying the same text for another one. This will be the description. We'll change description. Cool. Hi, welcome to the mobile application development. Here you are going to learn different technique to make your application more attractive. Oh. So let's say splash description is quite big, so we'll reduce it to 15. We'll remove it. Cool. Now we can see. Now let's have a output of this one. I reduce margin from top and let's see the output. Oh, it looks good, but description is quite big. It's depend upon you. It may be anything. Okay, now so you can change whatever you want. It looks good but not that much, so let's have some animation. Directory anim, create one XML file, and I will give the name zoom in. Okay, I have written code for this, so I'm taking from there. This is the code of that. So how you can use in your activity, let's see. Give the ID img splash, close this, open, take the reference of that image here, image view img splash equal to find view by id r dot id dot img splash sorry. Now animation zoom in equal to animation utility dot load animation get application context comma r dot anim dot your name of the animation whatever you are going to implement, and img splash dot start animation you need to put zoom in. That cool. Now let's see the output again. Oh my god, it's quite big. So let's do some more work on that and reduce 40. That's cool. I'm going to give margin from top 50. So let's see now output. Wow, it's good. Now let's have some work on this text view. id tv header, same for id TV dash. Here we will take text view. Text is equal to same find view by id r dot id dot tv header. Same for another one, tv description and sorry, this is tv header. Okay, now what animation? Let's say let's take another animation, slide up. Slide up. This is the code of slide up animation I have already written, so I just copy and paste here. Now I am going to implement slide up animation. Here I took the reference slide up, cool, and now I will set to header dot start animation, and this is slide up. Same for TV dash. So let's see the output. Oh, all are getting same. So let's increase some duration. I can say 70 or 1000. It's depend on you completely, however you want to do. That's cool. Looks quite good. So these are the functionality and animation. So if you want, then you can also change the color. Okay, as we have green color icon, so let's see green. This is also, you can say, dark green. Wow, this looks good. So we can close here. So guys, thank you for watching that video. If you liked this video and you have demand of any special topic, then you can comment below. I will make video and I will upload. Thank you for watching. Have a great time.